Hey guys, how's it going? Jorge here. So what we're going to be looking today is how to build a research table for outdoor advertisement, basically. Outdoor and just overall everything that is basically printed on a way. So I had a friend that right now, I have a friend that basically works with kind of doing manual research for events, and he was asking like how we can automate this. So basically I was thinking of walking you through all the different processes that we can do here. Okay, so first things first, what we did here, we scrape times 10, which is like an event list provider. Basically will list all the events in or trades in the United States. So you can scrape basically this from um, any database that you want. But like after you have this, you will have the list of the events, the date. If you want to have this as a personalization kind of way. Good. So basically, the first thing that we're gonna be doing here is to look for the event domain URL. So what we're gonna be using here is using ChatGPT Mini, and basically instruct for the kind of tasks that we want to give it. So good. So basically, this is the prompt that we're gonna be using is search for the official website of, and then here we can map the conference name, and like what I only want is to return only the root domain without any prefixes or suffixes or subdirectories. Good. Basically, once we already have that, we're gonna be mapping this with a JSON schema. This should give us, basically this is like what this is gonna be doing. It's to mapping all the requests of your current AI, and yeah, we can run it now. Basically, it's gonna be mapping the variables of the AI outputs. So let's give it a go. Check the results. Okay, sounds like it. We can manually check some of those. We're gonna be mapping this domain here. We're gonna be changing this to be an URL. So we'll check this. Yep, driving health. Yep, this is one. Small business. Yep, this is good. Good. So basically now that it's giving the correct ones, like the current domains. Yeah, probably this is not gonna be a fit. Yeah, at least here we can use later hospitality design. Yeah, here we can use like an AI to confirm that this is a website, or basically the website of a conference. Confirm with true or false if this website is from a trade or expo event. And then we just map the domain, and then we can say only output true or false. Do not explain your answer. So now we can run this again just to confirm that the AI, like the output of the AI, it's like actually good one. So good. Now we're gonna be building another prompt. I'm gonna be pausing this video a little bit so we can just keep rocking here. Okay, basically this is the prompt that we use now to find event sponsors. It's like it's super basic. Using the provide domain. This is where we fit like basically the event domain. Is like find all the sponsors for this event, trade show, or expo. Return only a numbered list of sponsors with no explanations of or additional text. So basically, if we take a look here, we can have like sponsor list. This is like the ones for this event. For this one, we have like 10 different sponsors. For this other one, we have 18 sponsors. For this one, we have 21 sponsors. So now what we can do here, it's basically send this to another list and find the domain of these companies, and then try to find the competitors to do like the outreach. But like basically this is normally like 90% of the research that the rep was doing. So yeah, for competitors we just find the domain, and then you can use like something like Ocean.ai to find their company lookalikes, or depending, there's different ways to do it. You can also like come up with a Claygen. So yeah, the approach will normally differs if it's like local business, AI, or all of that stuff. Okay, that's one thing for trades. However, for these same companies, there is like another thing that they want to do. So since a lot of their for this company, which basically does like printing or outdoor type of advertisement, you can actually find on the internet like permit list by state. Let's say in this case we have the Department of Transportation of New Jersey, and with here you can like literally download the list of all the permits. So this is what we have here. So now what we have here as a general, basically what we're doing, it's this dealer name is basically the name of the publisher. So here we have like a bunch of different of records. We have 6.5k. So basically I just run this to a few rows. In this case we have 35, and like you'll have how many times this company is advertisement, it's providing advertisement. Also here we have like another prompt to just go and find the company domain. This is Clay validation. Basically it will tell you like if the domain that you scrape is valid or not. And what you can do here is like now try to find advertisement, marketing people, or owner of these companies. So to do this, what you can do here, it's enrich company. So okay, well, let's do not use add enrichment. Find contacts. Find contacts at company. Save result is stable. Just try to do it quickly. So company identifier. Here's where we're gonna be adding the domain URL. So then location, New Jersey. This list comes just from this. We only want people from there. So product title, job titles here. So we'll have marketing, advertisement, and founders and owners. Owner, founder. Oh my god, it was here. Okay, founder, owner, CEO, marketing, advertising. Yeah, we can just do this for sake of being fast. Cool. If you see here, like there's gonna be like a lot of local type of companies. So for this case, like we only do this, and we could the later we can reach this person. However, there is also another enrichment that I like here. So this one is from Prospio. So I think it's this one. No, it's not. It was not this one. Yeah, basically, it's, we're gonna find all the emails associated with with our domain. So what we're gonna be doing here is just mapping the domain. This is already mapped, run 10 rows, and what it's gonna be doing is like look. This tool, like this enrichment, is gonna look into the internet, find like any domain, any email that it's publicly available for these companies. And let's say here we can have like a bigger data coverage, just overall. Cool. Let me know if you have any questions. I mean, this list didn't have like that many AI research because we already have the list of where the advertisement is, what the company is that it's advertising, how many times this company's advertisement in the state, or at least have actual licenses. Good. And then we're just trying to find people or associated emails to an account. Just let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.